Streams in the desert, June 21st. The people heard that he had come home, Mark 2:1. The adult coral invertebrates, known as polyps, work underwater constructing coral reefs. They do so never even imagining they are building the foundation of a new island, which will someday support plants and animals and will be a home where the children of God will be born and equipped for eternal glory as co-heirs with Christ. Romans 8:17. Beloved, if your place in God's army is hidden and secluded, do not grumble and complain. Do not seek to run from His will and the circumstances in which He has placed you. Remember, without the polyps, the coral reefs would never be built, and God calls some people to be spiritual polyps. He is looking for those who are willing to serve in places hidden from the sight of others, yet in full view of heaven, and who are sustained by the Holy Spirit. A day is coming when Jesus will bestow His rewards. On that day, some people may wonder how you came to merit a certain reward, since they have never heard of you. But remember, He makes no mistakes. Selected. Just where you stand in the conflict, there is your place. Just where you think you are useless, hide not your face. God placed you there for a purpose, whatever it be. Think He has chosen you for it. Work loyally. Put on your armor. Be faithful at toil or rest. Whatever it be, never doubting God's way is best. Out in the fight or on lookout, stand firm and true. This is the work that your Master gives you to do. With freedom from danger, we can leave a crowded meeting of believers, an inspiring mountaintop experience, or a helpful fellowship with righteous men made perfect. Hebrews 12:23. In order to return to our modest and simple Emmaus, to the dreaded home of the Colossians, or even to the mission field of distant Macedonia, we can do so with the calm assurance that wherever God has placed us and in every detail of our daily lives, He has ordained the land we are to possess to its very borders and has ordained the victory to be won. Northcote Deck.